Hi, my name is G.PATTERSON, and I will be doing a video on data-driven decision making. This is for my EDU 642 course with Dr. Tatum. What is data? A lot of schools are targeted or stemming away from a lot of supposabilities, so to speak, and they're trying to get some more concrete information as to how they can help the students achieve at their level and above. Also, data can be used for numerous purposes, and that's basically what we do, the schools do on a daily basis now. Data can be used for school improvement processes. It helps you set measurable goals and targets. It helps you collect data using electronic methods. You can collect data to deliver information to decision makers, such as classrooms and such as your principals, to help him with AYP and to help the school with AYP. It can help identify clear levels of performance measures and opportunities for improvement. There are several barriers, which we'll mention later. Collecting data is only the first step towards wisdom, but sharing data is the first step towards community. This is basically a statement that was mentioned by Prodigy Advertisement. What are some of the reasons that we bring data into decision making? Number one is it helps us access the current and future needs of students. Number two, it helps us decide what to change. And number three, it helps us determine if goals are being met, which is very important. It helps us engage in continuous school improvement. It helps us identify root causes of problems, and we all know that if we can't get to the root cause of a problem, you can't really come up with a resolution. It helps us align instruction to standards. It helps us provide personalized instruction. It helps us track professional development. It helps us meet accountability provisions for No Child Left Behind. It helps us keep constituents informed about our progress. Making it happen in integrating data into the equation. These are some of the things that you need to consider when integrating data. Implementations of scale and scope, what to gather, cleaning up the data, reporting out and user queries, cost of adoption, professional development, collaboration, and partnership. This is according to our PowerPoint. The lessons to be learned would be that, of course, we all know that it takes time. It has to start at the top. If the process is going to be used to get the data to help the students, then it has to start with the principal and then the teachers, and then the teachers provide the information to the students, and then you can all move forward. The business models are a starting point as well. Your community outreach is essential. You've got to have your parents involved in order to get it done. Pulling the data. Using the data to correct school improvement processes. But definitely having the parents' involvement is a vital part of having success for any school system and for your students. So data-driven decision making can be a powerful tool in changing students' outcome and promoting continuous improvement and achievement. There is a CPS online skills assessment according to the PowerPoint, and teachers are trained in technology basic skills and regular use of technology to enhance teaching and learning. Teachers use technology to improve classrooms, management, communication, collaboration, and instruction. All staff accept the challenge to become proficient in use of job-related instruction forms for technology. Some of the technology tools that we use at my school is we allow the kids to utilize intervention programs such as Stanford Math, and we allow them to use Study Island to intervene, and we have Reading 180, which is also utilized via the computer. So it's very important that we collect this data, and it's very important that we allow our students to use the intervention program and technology to increase their learning and their skills. Using technology to improve teachers' professional practices is very popular. Using technology tools for information, for planning and implementing and enhancing learning experience for core curriculum. Integrating technology tools and information to build technology literacy and problem solving among students is very important. Technology professional development focuses on students' achievement, connected to the classroom. It focuses on collaborative processes. It supports individual learning styles and experiences. It evaluates embedded throughout. The teachers and professional development. Teachers' professional development actually help you plan and track your progress. You can register online for activities and programs. And if you wanted to get more involved in more technical classes, you can go online via Avatar with the Memphis City Schools and request some of the professional development classes. For principals, this usually helps them track the progress of teachers in school areas. This will be the professional development program, which is activities in CPS. There are some barriers, as we all know. There are advantages and disadvantages to any element of education, but the barriers can always be overcome. But just to mention a few, the barriers to the use of data would be the lack of training in the use of data, meaning that people can pull the data and not be able to read and understand what it's trying to say and what you're using it for. It would be another one. And the lack of leadership at a school and at a district level would be another. Outdated technology would be another reason that or a barrier to overcome, and the distrust of data that is being pulled. In my conclusion, we all understand that data is one of the top resources that we use in our school systems to better the system. And I was very intrigued with the information on data-driven technology. And on a daily basis, I plan to see what type of contribution I can make to my school and as well to my students to help them develop on a technological state. And hopefully the data will give us what we need. Thanks.